Okay, just a little quick video of the first cut. You can see the line on the top and you can see a line on the bottom. And I'm going to cut to those lines and I still won't be on my final line. I just wanted to show you the first cut and I ended it right here. I'm going to continue in a minute, but I just wanted to show you this cut. You can see the lines that I'm cutting to. Okay? And you can also see the other side where I haven't cut yet. You can see my lines. Okay, just a short video, and I'm going to continue.